Hello, thank you for watching our presentation that is about integration of gender perspective in mathematics at university and its assessment. This work has been done by Irene Epifanio, Lara Ferrando and Marina Martínez-García from Jaume I University in Spain. You can see here our contact, and in this web you can also find the slides and other material. We saw how gender perspective can be implemented in mathematics at university. The ideas can also be used for lower levels. Gender gap in STEM is very important, but few words deal with integration of gender perspective and math, unless at university level. However, gender perspective in university teaching must be done because Spanish law says that. But the reality is that in the majority of subjects, there is not effective incorporation of gender perspective. The guidelines appear in this slide. Let us see them in the following slides, point by point. First of all, we have taken into account an appropriate management of the classroom, trying to promote an equal participation of girls and boys. As second point, we have also saw the contribution of women in these areas with very different activities. The use of an inclusive language is very important in all levels, oral, written. In fact, as there is no textbook that use inclusive language in engineering, in Spanish, we use material prepared by ourselves. As regards methodology, we consider an active teaching. That is to say, learning by doing mathematics, working in cooperative groups, by projects, etc. We have also working values by humanizing the problems. For example, some activities were about discrimination, climate change, etc. Part of this material is available at this web, although the material is in Spanish. As regards contents, we saw the importance of an appropriate sampling and appropriate questions in order to see all the visions, and we also saw the importance of taking into account sex and gender in engineering through data. The use of the computer is also very important, but not only because facilitates the acquisition of concepts, but also because favors the approach of women towards technology, which tend to be a disadvantage compared to their male colleagues. The evaluation should also be appropriate. For example, we use a very diversity of activities in order to evaluate our students, and the final exam was only the 55%. We also take into account different problematics because of the pandemic. But one of the most important points is the interpersonal relationships. Empathy is essential, as well as breaking with stereotypes and implicit biases. As regards results, we didn't find any resistance from students. They were completely satisfied. The student participation and their academic results improved. And last year, we also carried out a virtual math co-education course for teachers in all education levels. Here you can see the web where all the material is available. 600 people participate in this course and they were very satisfied. In conclusions, we have seen how the integration of gender perspective can be carried out in math and statistics subjects at university with good results. A complete reference with many details, including research at math, can be seen here at the slide. Although there is no reference to equality in syllabus of the vast majority of mathematics subjects of all the world's university, math teachers must contribute to the knowledge and development of democratic principles. Thank you very much for your attention.